Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the app theme in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our feed. From this menu we have to go into the saved menu. And in the saved menu we find the little cog in the top right corner. Then we can tap on settings, and in settings we find account management, and in account management we tap on app theme. Now we can select the app theme to either be light, dark, or system default, and after we change it, it's going to apply the theme that we selected. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.